gosh, I'm very happy with the way that this has turned out. It's a little bit wiggly in places where I kind of had a bit of a hiccup, and at one point of course I had to stop and change my battery, so there's a bit of a glitch in the editing there, which you'll see when I upload the video. But overall that has turned out really beautiful. I'm so happy with it. It was just a play around and it's come out so pretty. Could be quite hard on the eyes for some people, but there we go. Bring it up to the camera a bit closer to show you how good that looks and how simple it is. That was just so simple to make, and probably very good for children to try as well, because they can, it's not just a comb that you can run through the paint. You can make your initial pattern, of course, on the canvas of any type of pattern, although straight lines I find are usually better, and then just run an instrument of some sort through it to make the colours swirl, move around and look a little bit different. So that's it for me for this video. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.